Have you ever found yourself wanting to get stuff done, but your focus seems to take a detour? Well, guess what? It's not you, it's your surroundings playing tricks on you. My name is Ezekiel, and in this video I got the ultimate fix for your focus funk. So, if you're tired of playing hide and seek with your productivity, stick around, because I am about to unveil the game changer that will have you conquering tasks like never before. Let's get started. You know that feeling when you're all set to do something important, like working on a report, but your phone gets a notification and suddenly you are updating apps, checking emails? Yeah, that's the problem I'm talking about. It's not your fault, it's these distractions that are all around you stealing your attention. It's like trying to focus on homework while someone keeps throwing toys at you. Not easy. The point is that our brains are good at doing a lot of things, but when there are too many distractions, it's like you are in a playground with too much going on. But guess what? We're not here just to complain about it, we're here to fix it. Alright, now we know it's tricky to stay focused. Let's get our hands dirty and figure out how to fix it. Imagine you have been putting off a job, let's say writing a report or a performance review. That's a tough one, for many, right? But don't worry, I've got a plan to help you get through it. Here's a super easy step-by-step guide to beat those focus challenges and finally finishing what you started. Step 1. Get a pen, a paper or a sticky note. Using a pen and a paper might seem old school, but it works wonders. I will explain why you need this later. Step 2. Get your phone out and set Do Not Disturb for 45 minutes. Now, why are we doing this? Your phone is a constant source of interruptions. Notifications, pop-up, messages, everything is like a parade of distractions. By setting your phone on Do Not Disturb, you are creating a quiet zone. No beeps, no nothing for 45 minutes. This is your time to focus without these little interruptions pulling you away. Cutting down on distractions not only helps you focus but also make it possible for you to enter flow state. Flow state is when your mind is working at its best, your motivation is high, your creativity is flowing, and you can tackle problems very easily. Step 3. Set a timer on your phone for 45 minutes. Now, why set a timer? When you set a timer for 45 minutes, it's like telling your brain, okay, we're in this for the next chunk of time. It's a commitment to concentrate. Plus, knowing that there is a time ticking away adds a bit of urgency, a deadline that tells your mind you don't have all day to do this. Setting a specific work period with timers on your phone and computer isn't just about managing time. It's like following a proven method. Think of it like the Pomodoro technique that helps you manage your time better. Step 4. Hide your phone at least 6 feet away. Now, why hide our phone and why at least 6 feet away? Your phone, despite being helpful, can also be a sneaky distractor. By placing it at a good distance away, you are creating a physical barrier. Research has shown that just having your phone where you can see it reduces your concentration. Yes, we are slaves of our phones now. The distance makes it less tempting to grab your phone every time it winks at you with notification. It's a small move, but it's powerful in keeping you focused on the task at hand. Just find a spot at least 6 feet away, a shelf, another table, or just toss it across the room, gently. Step 5. Close irrelevant applications on your computer. The rationale behind this step is to optimize your digital workspace. Your computer, much like a work desk, can get cluttered with open applications. Closing irrelevant ones streamlines your focus by removing visual distractions. Careful with this step because it's very likely that one of those applications will pull you in and you can say goodbye to your focus session. If you need to use a browser for the task you want to complete, open a new browser window and close the other window that have 1000 tabs open. This way you can restore them all later. So take a moment to close those applications that are not integral to your current task, creating a more organized and distraction-free digital environment. Step 6. Tell your computer to hush for 45 minutes too. Now let's make your computer quiet too, because our phones are not enough. our computers can also have notifications. So now click on the Do Not Disturb. This way, your computer won't bother you with notifications for the next 45 minutes. Step 7. Work on the task. Now that your computer and phone are set up to keep things quiet, it's time to really get to work. With distractions put on hold, you created an environment perfect for concentration and efficient workflow. This is the golden opportunity to make significant strides in completing your task without the usual interruptions. These focus times allow you to channel your energy and creativity into the task, making the most out of this distraction-free zone. Step 8. Be prepared for your thoughts. Now, here's a helpful trick. If your mind starts wandering to other things while you're working, this is very normal, jot or write down those thoughts on the paper or the sticky note. Consider this your way of acknowledging those thoughts without letting them steal your focus. Remember, you're not the problem. It's all about how you manage your surroundings. By making small adjustments, you are setting yourself up for success. YouTube believes you will like this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you next week.